All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is an extension of your previous lab, which was showing you how to create a simple clickable app. Click on the image to change the image, and the primary focus there was on visualizing your view bindings connection between activity main XML and your main activity.kotlin file with debugger and logcat. So here we're going to enhance the CutePets app with responsive layouts and constraint layouts, which is available in your lab workbook that I kicked out. Now, I'm not going to be demonstrating the debugger here because nothing has changed in Kotlin main. You should go through it again just for practice. However, our main changes here are going to be an activity main XML. And once again, you have the finished Android project, but my suggestion is build it up a little bit at a time by yourself. So the key changes here now are creating a responsive layout using constraint layout involves various attributes and guidelines that adapt to different screen sizes and orientations. So that's kind of the concept. Imagine you have an app and maybe you drop another button onto it and you want the images to be positioned in a certain way, with the button and the images to be positioned in a certain geometry. And of course, we don't know at design time what screen size the user might be using. So just go through this code, study through it, walk through it one line at a time. And key things to focus your attention here in terms of your new updated aspects. So we have guidelines. The use of guidelines with percentage values, go and study that in your activity main. Dimension ratios. You can set aspect ratios for views, for a square view to maintain consistent proportions. Chains, creating horizontal or vertical chains, ensure that a group of views are evenly distributed in the geometry of your page. And constraining the guidelines, additional views like button and text view are constrained to guidelines, ensuring they position themselves properly with the images you have there. So ensure that drawable resources are available. If you have any questions, let me know, but just basically work in your file system, get some images and drag them over. Modify and add views if necessary to fit the requirements of your app. And the layout's the starting point, so once again, just step through it in the debugger, step through your main activity.kotlin file, and then visualize and just think about the connection of your controller code with your view, which in this case is activity main XML. That's pretty much it. I can't really think of too much to say on this except to encourage you to just go through it by yourself and observe it working, and let me know if you have any questions. And so that's pretty much that for right now. Go and do that.